What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress teams, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to do square root math calculation into an easier method that most of us don't learn on school. Easy, right? For example, how to do the square root of 64, okay? 64. What are you gonna do? You're gonna get 6 and you're gonna do the calculation plus 4, just like this. 60 plus 4 is equal 10. 10. Now we're gonna remove 2. 60 plus 4, 10. The result is 8. So the square root of 64 is 8. Now let's do the same for 55, okay? 2 plus 5 equal 7. 7 removing 2 equal 5. The square root of 55 is 5. Now 289. Now let's separate 2 plus 8 plus 9 equal 19. 19 removing 2, it's equal 17. Here's the result. Now the cube square, okay? Cube, not more the cube root, not more square root. How to do this? Same process, guys. 1 plus 2 plus 5. Just like this. Equal 8. 8. Removing 3. 3 right here. The result is 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal 150. And the last one is for you guys. What is the result of square root of 144? 144. Let me know into the comments. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.